Hi, this is a Portland Leather Goods unboxing, and Portland Leather Goods had I think it's just the 12 Days of Joy, and I was able to pick up a couple things. Uh, Here's one, two, three, and my little thing here. Okay, this is how they come. Each piece is individually wrapped. I love it that they take the time to um, wrap the items carefully. This is um, the framed pouch. I love it. I could put this in a bigger bag, or it could be worn as a clutch under the arm as the clutch. That's the side. I'm not sure if that's the front or the back. Maybe that's the front, and that's the bottom. But the inside is all leather. It's unlined. And let's see if there's a color. If there's a color on the sticker. Okay, this one says Naples. Naples, so maybe that's the color. It's very nice. It's pebbled leather, very soft. Ah, love it, love it, love it. Wow. Now this one says, I don't know, Kyoto, Kyoto. T-O. I don't know that name, but it's like a lavender purple color. It's very beautiful. Suede on the inside, suede leather. The three trees embossed on the front. And this one is uh, Bacala. Can you see that? It's called Bacala. Let's see what color it actually is. Ooh, nice. Oh, look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? And you open it like this. Look how beautiful it is on the inside. I love that either you could wear it inside of a handbag or a tote. Oh, I have one more piece. This is the snap flower. Uh, it's a key ring, and I will put it on my handbag. But just to show you how we could use um, these framed purses, I have a tote bag here. And this frame purse will fit right inside of this tote. Can you see that? How it fits so nice and neat inside the tote. That's one of the reasons why I got them to use for as an organizer for a larger bag. Now, this bag here is really big, and this frame purse will fit right inside of it. But not only that, if I'm traveling and let's say I need two frame purses, they'll fit right inside of this tote, and there's room for other articles inside of there. So I love it, and this is my Portland leather haul. Yay! Uh, I haven't had a Portland leather haul in a while. But I love it. They have good sales, and the handbags are good quality. So yes, I'm thankful for the 12 days of joy sale to try something, uh, a new type of purse. But I was excited when I got it and snap like that. Snap close. That's exciting. Snap, open, watch my fingers, snap close. So here are the colors again. Oh, okay, yes, that one has 3 trees on it. And I love it. And I got a little uh, snap flower. So thank you very much. I hope that this was helpful to you. Um, Maybe you thought about getting this frame purse, but you didn't know exactly what it looked like or uh, what to put it, what to wear it with. And so I hope that this helped you in making your decision and purchasing Portland leather goods. Portland leather, Portland leather goods. A funny story is the way that I found this site is that I was looking on Poshmark for something, and Portland leather goods ad popped up, and I clicked on it, and that's how I found this beautiful leather company. So, with that being said, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the unboxing. Um, Thumbs up like, subscribe, comment. Um, Tell me if you purchase these frame pouches and how do you like them, and tell me how you use them. Um, and let's just have a good old conversation. So until the next time, wear your handbags, your frame purses in good health, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love. Bye.